Okay, for a successful processing operation, you must be able to take all the components, utensils, and other small pieces that are utilized in production and clean, sanitize, and store them in a proper manner.
Throughout our dairy processing facility, you'll see utensil racks. This utensil rack is for pasteurized components. We have both stainless steel and sanitizable plastic components here.
So, to clean these components properly, we utilize COP technology, clean out of place. It consists of a tank, a pumping system, the water is filled, chemicals are added, and it circulates, allowing you to clean disassembled parts and components thoroughly. They're sanitized, and then they're stored on a proper rack.
Throughout the facility, you'll also see brushes. Brushes of various colors. We have white brushes for pasteurized, red brushes for raw, but this really creates a process where we don't cross-contaminate. On the packaging side, we'll also use the same color coding to prevent allergen cross-contamination.
So, bottom line is, proper procedures have to be utilized along with proper equipment to clean, sanitize, and store components and prevent cross-contamination throughout the plant.